able to offer a good excuse why the votes haven't been counted yet. But to go in and rig the election before Election Day, to make sure that no matter what happens, your guy's going to win, it's not possible, folks. It simply isn't possible. And no less than Barack Hussein Obama has made this point. And yet the Democrat Party has done everything it can to make people in this country believe that's exactly what happened, that the Russians wanted Trump, and so they made it happen. And that Trump knew about it and helped them and worked with them. And I'm telling you, the American presidential election is so complex. It has so many precincts. You can't predict anything about it, starting with turnout. After turnout, you can't predict how people are going to vote. If you could, then there would never be any drama about this. It's not possible to pre-arrange a winner. Not the way the Democrats have tried to convince the American people that it happened in 2016. As a result, there isn't an election going forward that isn't going to be considered dishonest or suspect. If Trump wins on November 3rd, we haven't seen anything yet. The Democrats have already set the stage. They've been doing it for 4 years. They've been setting the stage for the 2020 election to be rigged, to be stolen. The Trump's already done it. And they have probably persuaded a lot more Americans than you would think that that's true.
Rush Limbaugh, because we know for you only the best will do on the EIB Network. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Finding the right person for the open position within your company, it's no easy feat. You can post the job, you can see hundreds of incoming resumes and inquiries, but finding the right person, that's what you're really looking for. ZipRecruiter helps you find that right person. ZipRecruiter does not depend on candidates finding you, it finds them for you. Their online technology identifies people with the right experience for your job and actively invites them to apply. It's how the owner of a construction company, Monica Starks of GS Group, makes the perfect hire for pivotal positions. Through ZipRecruiter, Monica's company hired the right project managers, field scientists, and accountants. She's not the only employer who loves ZipRecruiter's technology and success. 4 out of 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter makes hiring faster and easier. Try ZipRecruiter now for free and see for yourself. ZipRecruiter.com/rush. Very simple. ZipRecruiter.com/rush.
When you're stressed, you just don't feel like yourself. New Natrol Relaxia, a full line of drug-free supplements to help you manage occasional stress and anxiety. A special blend of herbals keeps you feeling calm and balanced throughout the day. Because when there's less stress, there's more you. Try new Natrol Relaxia. Learn more at relaxiamood.com. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
So who is your wireless provider? AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile? The average person is saving $400 a year by switching to Pure Talk USA. Pure Talk is on the same network, same towers, just 50% off in terms of price. Right now, get unlimited talk, text, and 2 gigs of data for just $20 a month. Switch to Pure Talk today, and from your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say Pure Radio. That's pound 250, Pure Radio, Pure Talk USA. Smarter wireless.
Think you're dealing with drug poisoning, chemical poisoning, food poisoning? Call the Poison Helpline first for fast, free advice from medical professionals. Call 1-800-222-1222 anytime, anywhere. Save the number, save a life. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
Hi, this is Ron St. Pierre. Waking up with me on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM just got even easier. If you've got an Amazon Dot or Echo, just say, Alexa, set my alarm to play News Radio 920 on iHeartRadio every day at 5 o'clock.
Getting News Radio 920 WHJJ station from iHeartRadio.
It's that easy.
I've been
The secret to feeling great is as close as your radio. Saturday morning at 8, it's Holistic Helpline. Jane, Peter, and Dr. Jansen are taking your calls and answering your questions. If it's about your health, it's on Holistic Helpline. Saturday morning 8 to 10 on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Report on Hunter Biden and Burisma. You know what it does, among many other things? It proves that Trump was right asking the Ukrainians to investigate it. And Biden. And they impeached Trump over this? He was dead on right asking Ukraine to investigate Biden. We will be right back.
Hey, there he is. How's it going?
I'm having a stroke.
Are you going to shake my hand or what?
I'm having a stroke.
Wow, you're not even moving your arm.
I'm having a stroke.
Are you okay?
I'm having a stroke.
Your face looks weird, too.
I'm having a stroke.
Are you having a seizure or something?
I'm having a stroke.
When someone is having a stroke, they may not be able to say it with words, but their body language will tell you loud and clear.
I'm having a stroke.
You just need to know the sudden signs. Look for FAST, F-A-S-T. F, face drooping. A, arm weakness. Or S, speech difficulty. Then T, time. Time to call 911 immediately, because the sooner they get to the hospital, the sooner they'll get treatment. And that can make a remarkable difference in their recovery. Know the sudden signs. Face, arm, speech, time. Spot a stroke fast. Visit strokeassociation.org. Brought to you by the American Stroke Association and the Ad Council.
Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. WHJJ, Providence, an iHeartRadio station.
I'm Phoebe Wells, News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here are the top local stories we're following. 2 more COVID-19 deaths were reported yesterday, bringing the total in Rhode Island to 1,099. There are also 112 new cases for a total of 24,044 since the outbreak began. The current positive test rate is 1.7%. Providence College officials say they will determine the need to remain in remote learning mode by the end of the week. The college recently moved to remote classes due to an outbreak of COVID-19 among off-campus students. Some state legislators in Providence have asked PC to continue remote classes for the rest of the fall semester. They say they are concerned the outbreak is putting the health of residents in several neighborhoods at risk. A Rhode Island native is ahead in the race for a U.S. Senate seat in Maine. A Suffolk University Boston Globe poll finds Sarah Gideon with a slim lead of 46 to 41% over Republican incumbent Susan Collins. The poll's margin of error is 4.4%. Gideon, currently Speaker of the Maine House of Representatives, is a 1989 graduate of East Greenwich High School. In sports, Red Sox face the Orioles, Celtics face the Heat. Get news 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
For the rest of the day, mostly sunny skies as temperatures continue to climb to the upper 70s with winds that could be gusty at times, 20 to 25 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, mostly clear skies with temperatures in the 50s. And tomorrow, again, heading to the upper 70s with partly cloudy conditions. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Christina Early on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Charges just announced in Kentucky. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. But it's not the charges some were hoping to hear. A police shooting that has sparked months of protests in Louisville. Fox's Jeff Manasso has more live.
Police and 3 officers face charges, though a grand jury only charging former Louisville police officer Will Atkinson with 3 counts of wanton endangerment of neighboring suspects. The shooting that also played the life of Breonna Taylor during a no-knock narcotics raid in March. There is no doubt that this is a gun-issue, emotional case. The pending of hearing is understandable. Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron, as Louisville prepares for more possible unrest in a state of emergency there. Center government buildings and now a 72-hour curfew in place. Lisa.
And Cameron has just gone some
I drink it.
Hope it's going all right for you, sir.
Somewhat.
Tomorrow night, my night, too.
Yeah, no, that's fine.